Cleanaway's customer is a local manufacturing business in Melbourne that was dealing with bulky timber crates in their waste stream. This resulted in multiple bins across the site and a lack of structure in how waste was being managed.
I'm Corey Hawking. I'm an account manager with Cleanaway. We provide total waste management solutions to customers. We provided waste solutions for around 50% of the waste, and now with the help of the roll packer, we can provide pretty much 100% of the solution for the waste here. The roll packer breaks down the large crates quite easily, removes the need for multiple bins on site, lets us solve operational problems, not just collect waste. It helps improve safety, workflow and space all at once.
My name's James Hughes. I'm Business Development Manager for Waste Initiatives. The major challenge on site was with the multiple locations was bins all over the place. There wasn't one location for waste, and that's where the roll packer came into it. The customer has also reported that truck movements have reduced, along with bin pickups, improving safety and lowering risk across the site.
Reducing from 5 or 6 a week down to just 2 a week helps deploy our trucks in other areas they may be needed. So it helps us deliver a high value service and shows we're committed to help the customer with their day-to-day operations.
The customer is also seeing strong operational benefits with positive impacts on their staff as less time is spent handling and breaking down waste and more time is spent focused on core tasks. The roll packer was the #1 solution from the start, being that it makes light work of big bulky boxes, unlike what the traditional compactor could do. The compaction ratio of 4:1 made it a no-brainer for this solution. Simple things like 30 to 40 boxes going into a 30 cubic metre bin turns into 120, 150 boxes going into one bin. So you're really reducing 4 to 5 times the amount of pickups.